Hey, I'm back with a craft show idea that I'm doing, or should I say that I've finished. And these are my take on the tea favor pouches or booklets or whatever you would want to call them. I'm not exactly sure, but I made, mine says tea for two, so I wrote that on a tag, and then this is a belly band, to from, and I used a glue dot that is removable. And if you can see, I used this paper here, and then you put the belly band up, and inside there's different teas. So and then even I did the back page. So this is a very, very, very simple idea. I'm not sure who came up with the idea, but my idea is I'm using it as tea for two, so a friend and you can have, you know, tea, or you and your husband, or your husband and, you know, whoever you would want to share your tea with. And each of them have the same, two of the same teas in it. So here's another one. This has different, I'm not going to take all of these belly bands off to show you the paper, but here's the back. That's the same what the paper is on the front, and it's to from tag. The tea bags are in there. So there's that style. Here's this one, and this one, and this one, and this, and those, that paper, cute. So I made 18 bags come in each, so I made 9 different flavored teas in this box here, and I used the Bigelow tea. And it's assorted tea, so you get the pomegranate, the I Love Lemon, Mint Melody or Medley, Orange and Spice, Cozy Chamomile, and Sweet Dreams. So those are the tea flavors. And I'm probably going to put a little sticker or something on that says what each tea flavor is on the inside. And then here are the rest. And if you would like to know exactly how I made this, I'm going to show you. But at the same time, we are not going to put teas in this one because I don't have the tea ready. So let me get a piece of paper. I mean, I do have tea, it's just not ready. So hold on here, let me look for a piece of cardstock that I want to use, and we will get on with making one. So let me get this opened here. Now from one 12 by 12 sheet of cardstock, which this one I bought at Ollie's, you can get four card pockets from. And see this little rough edge? I don't like that, so we will cut that off, and then we'll go about making the pocket. So let me cut that a little bit off. Cut that off, and then cut 6. And then turn it and cut it at 6. Okay, so we only need the one little sheet here. We are done with the cutter, and now we will use a scoreboard. Now I only have the Martha Stewart. She is no longer making this specific board, so if you have something else, that's fine. But this is what I have, and this is what I'm going to use, and I'm not getting a new one until this one is not able to work anymore. So we're going to score down the middle at 3, and then we're going to turn it, and we're going to score at 3.5, which that is going to make your pocket. So before I crease, I like to cut, and I'm cutting, I don't know if you can see that, but see the score line is still there. I'm cutting on either side of the score line, right up to it, and then up at the center where all the scores meet, I cut that off. And this paper, because it is color box, for whatever reason, it does crack. You can be as easy as you want to, it still cracks. So then you're gonna, since you cut that off, you're gonna fold those up, and then you're gonna fold it in half. So fold it on all your score lines, and where is my, here it is, punch. Now this is an EK Success. I don't know, I think it's the 1 inch. Scallop circle, because I like that little decorative mark it makes, and I don't even go halfway. I kind of go about 1/3 down, just so that you can have the little slits there. Then I corner around, and I think this is like this is a half inch corner rounder by EK Success, and then I glue up through here and up through here. When I put the paper on here, I only put it on as far down as the half a circle, or the circle is cut out, just right under it. So it would just come right under that. Then just close it up. You make a belly band, which is very simple. You cut a piece however wide you want it, and you wrap it around. You can use lace, you can use ribbon. I like the belly band, it slides up and down, and you can decorate it how you want to. So this is how I had made my tea for 2 favors. Now you can also make this into a card. So this is going to be 3.5 here. You can make this into a card and put the teas in it and write something down here. That's why in the ones that I had made, I didn't, I'll show you. In like here's my belly band. On these, I didn't put any paper here. Now you could, but I figured maybe you might want to write something if you're giving this and putting it in a stocking. So I didn't do any decorating on that. So I thought maybe, you know, you might want to give it to someone, even though it says to from here, you can write something on the inside, you know, something clever, sweet, or to a teacher or something like that. Just whatever you would want to write in it. So that is how I made my tea packets. And if you have any questions, let me know. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. And if you have not, go over and check out Lyric Lover 810 here on YouTube. She has another version of her tea pockets that she makes for her craft shows. And the Scrappy Bookworm one also had made something in a card form. I don't know exactly what the video is called, but if you go over to the Scrappy Bookworm one, hi Cindy, she's my BFF, she has it there, and maybe she can link the video in the comments below. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.